Hello and welcome to the address book feature in Clik Cert. The address book is a handy feature in the software. It allows you to populate your customer and supplier addresses into Clik Cert, helping to minimise time spent filling in addresses in certs. To find your address book, open up Clik Cert. At the top you will see a few tabs. Click on Address Book. Now what you can see here is your address book. Down the left hand side is where you will find your customer and supplier addresses with your own company address at the top. To add an address, click on Add Company. This is in the top left hand corner of the address book screen. This will then create a blank address at the bottom of the list. You can choose whether the address you are adding is for a company or for a person by clicking the relevant option here. You can then go through and fill in the appropriate information into the boxes before ticking whether the address is for a customer or for a supplier. Make sure you save the address you have created in the top right. You will see there are a few tabs at the top of the screen. We are currently in the Details tab. If we move over to the right, you will see Notes. You can add any note you like for the address in here. To the right of Notes there is a Search tab. This shows any search you have created for the company that we are currently in. Across from there is Site Addresses. If the company you are in has multiple addresses, then you can add them in here. If we click on Add Address, it will come up with a pop-out screen. In this site address pop-out, there are a couple of options. In the Details tab, we can fill in the information of the site by entering it into the boxes. We can add any equipment that this site has under the Equipment tab by going to Add Equipment and adding in the relevant information. In the Notes tab in here, you can also add any notes you have for each site as well. Any contacts that you want to add to this particular site, you would add under the Contacts tab. Just click on Add Contact and fill in their information into the boxes. Finally, in this site's pop-out, you can add documents by clicking on the tab and hit Add Document. Then choose whether you want to link a document or link a folder. That is it for this site pop-out. Let's go back to the main screen of the address book. Okay, next to site addresses we have contacts again. This will show all the contacts you have added for individual sites and give you the option to add more contacts. Then finally we have documents. So any documents you have added in this site's address tab will show here, and again you have the option to add more documents if you like. That is everything for the address book. Thank you for listening.